Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 8 in my 12 days of Christmas, we're going to be working on this frozen flower design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my manicure today, I'm going to be using Silent Library as my base color. I'll be stamping using One Coat Black, and then filling in using Gift Receipt, as well as in a Flurry. Today we're going to be using the MoYou London Kaleidoscope Collection 06 plate, and we're going to be using this flower here. I'm going to be stamping using One Coat Black, and I'm going to be getting 2 stamper heads ready to be filled in. I have a small lid here. I'm going to put out a little bit of the polish I'm working with, starting with the silver, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the center with silver and then the petals with the icy blue. Once the stampers have had time to dry, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my nail with just a little bit of long-lasting base to make it tacky enough that the image should transfer well onto the nail. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on and repeat that on my thumb. I'm going to go ahead and finish cleanup using my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished design, and I really like how this turned out. This flower was actually not the original plan for day 8, but the frozen mermaid that I wanted to do just did not work out in testing, and so I decided to take the frozen vibes in another direction. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate just how shiny this is. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.